This is the Hoco GM26 mobile cooler. It is mainly used when the phone gets overheated due to playing games, watching videos, taking pictures, or using the internet. Let's see how to install it. Attach the cooler to your phone. Open the clip. Place the cooler on the back of your phone, preferably around the center where the phone gets warm. Now connect the power connection to the phone cooler. After connecting the power, the cooler will turn on automatically. This is the power button. You can also control the cooling speed through it. Now you can play games, watch videos, use the internet and take pictures on your phone without any problems of overheating. Using this cooler, the phone will never get hot again even after using the phone for hours. After using this cooler, your phone will stay cool and you will get the best performance from your phone for a long time.